You might not find a house with a blue door, but you will find a paradise for sure at Morriss House Nottingham. The property offers ensuite and studio apartments, with each room featuring a cozy bed, a dedicated desk area, and ample storage place to store all your gear. You can also spend a chill Sunday morning with a cup of coffee in the outdoor area and watch your favorite rom-com to appease your inner hopeless romantic. Speaking of location, the University of Nottingham and the University of Nottingham International College are both a pleasant ride away. Surrounded by amazing restaurants like Rose and Crown and Cafe Aspire, staying here means you'll never go to bed hungry. On days when you feel like having a quiet evening all by yourself, take a walk down to Nottingham Castle. Worried about travel expenses? Fret not, as the property is well connected with a network of bus and train stations like Triumph Road, Stop LE02, and Gregory Street Tram Stop. So get ready to embrace the spirit of Notting Hill in the heart of Nottingham's cultural footsteps at Morriss House. Book your stay at amberstudent.com. You future home away from home.